This is John. He is the enterprise owner. John spent a lot of time setting up production, recruiting staff, gaining customers, and developing business. He makes sure that his employees work in safe conditions and his business is protected from inspectors. One day, John received a notice to check the state of labor protection at work, so he decided to make sure that everything went well. But when John went to his health and safety manager, it turned out that he not only did not know about the inspection, but he also was not ready for it. Documents were out of order, permits were missing, no briefings had been conducted, and he had not started thinking about journals, medical exemptions, and training. John is furious. Many years of work will be exposed to risk by an employee who is unable to perform his or her duties. Andrew is a health and safety manager, trying, but routine work takes up most of his time. What to do now? There is a way out. We bring to your attention a virtual assistant in the labor protection of the enterprise. Our platform is designed to simplify the work of a health and safety manager. Automatically, reminding about the document expiration, forming documents, reminding about training needs, forming a report after the audit. All documents labor protection related are collected in one place. The 24/7 system is available online from anywhere in the world. Thanks to our platform, a health and safety manager spends 10 times less time on routine tasks, and the error probability in creating documents is reduced to almost zero. In this way, the occupational health and safety manager has the opportunity to spend more time ensuring employees have healthy and safe working conditions. Our platform allows one manager to provide quality services to up to 10 companies on an outsourced basis. Also, all processes are automated. Andrew is calm. Once the system is set up, all documents can be found in seconds, and a convenient lead and alert system always warn you about deadlines. Andrew's company was successfully tested. Facilitate the labor protection work in your company now.